Sawadee ka. I'm Talisa from Siam Legal, and today we will discuss step-by-step how to apply for your preferred Thai Privilege visa membership. This video will go into depth on what forms and items you need and how to submit these in. Each Thai Privilege visa membership includes a specific application form that you can download and complete. To begin, sign the first page known as the consent form, either by hand or digitally. Before signing, ensure your signature directly matches your passport signature. Then, flip the page to fill in your general information, contact details, occupation, and visa information. Double check to ensure all information is correct and up to date. Once you're done, simply sign the final pages, which includes pages 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Once you've signed and completed the application form, it's time to move on to the PDPA form, short for Personal Data Privacy Act. The PDPA form outlines how your personal information will be safeguarded. Because of this, it's worth spending a few minutes reading it, and only the final page has to be signed. You will also need to include 2 items with the application, the first being a passport-sized photograph of yourself. There are multiple establishments where you can take passport photos at, and you can use these for your application. You can also take the photo yourself using your phone. If you opt for this, ensure that your device's camera is set to portrait mode and you are against a white background. The photo also needs to be submitted in color. Finally, you need a photocopy of your passport's bio page. If there is no signature visible, simply photocopy the passport signature page and submit it alongside the bio page. If in Thailand, you must also submit the page displaying your current visa, much like the photograph. These photocopies must all be in color. Before submitting, we recommend contacting your local General Sales and Service Agent, or GSSA for short, for a review. Consider reaching out to Siam Legal. As a GSSA, we have a very successful track record of assisting our clients, and we offer complimentary services for all Thailand Privilege applicants. Enjoy our consultation sessions without paying a single baht. If ready to apply, simply drop us an email with your documents attached. If you have any questions, type it in the email and we'll provide an answer. Once everything's in there and there are no pending documents, we will submit your application using Thailand Privilege's online portal. We will then share with you your login details so you can log into the online portal to review your application status. That's all for the video today. I'm Talisa, and if you found this guide to be very helpful, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe for further insights into the realm of Thailand Privilege visas. Sawadee ka.